How to watch movies on YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can watch a movie, buy or rent a movie on YouTube. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. For that, open up your YouTube app from your device, then tap onto Use section on your bottom right. Then scroll below, then you will see your Movies option. Tap Open it. As you tap onto your movies, you will be directed to Movies and Shows. From here you can see two tabs. One is Browse and another is Purchased. From Browse section, you can type in the name of any movie that you would like to search for, and at the Purchased tab, you will see all the movies that you have bought till date. Now coming back to how to buy a movie on YouTube. Tap on any movie here and just tap on buy and just pay the amount and you will be able to buy that movie. And the process is really simple for renting as well. Once you do so, you'll be good to go. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.